John swallowed the smoky import liquid in his glass, savoring its complex aromas of vanilla, dried fruits, and peat smoke. A memory joined him. Tonight was International Whiskey Day. The history of International Whiskey Day is closely related to the history of this beverage. Distillation is a chemical process which has existed since Babylonian times. First, malt syrup is made by heating grain and water to convert starch into sugar. This is because the type of grain used in the distillation process determines the final whiskey. International Whiskey Day was founded in 2009 at the Northern Netherlands Whiskey Festival. In memory of the great whiskey writer Michael James Jackson, International Whiskey Day was born. In order to commemorate the birthday of Michael James Jackson, born on March 27, 1942. Established in 2012, the holiday is celebrated annually on March 27 to recognize whiskey's profound cultural role worldwide. With origins over 2,000 years ago in ancient China, Ireland, and Scotland, whiskey later developed diverse regional styles across North America, Japan, and beyond as it spread globally. That evening, John visited McKenna's, the oldest pub in town, for the Whiskey Day festivities. Stepping inside, he was greeted by the warm glow of candles and a flickering fireplace. Behind the non-oak bar, proprietor Leon proudly displayed various whiskies, delicate single malts laced beside robust bourbons and spicy wines. As John sampled each drum, Leon shared tasty notes and histories. This 15-year-old Speyside has hints of orange zest and honey, and this Olney Reserve Irish is like eating a chocolate bar by a pit fire, said Leon. Local distillers also mingled, discussing upcoming releases and answering questions from the engaged crowd. Later, a fiddler took the small stage, launching into lively jigs and reels that transported listeners to whiskey's fields and shores over generations. Throughout, laughter and animated debates echoed over the hardwoods as patrons from all walks celebrated their shared passion. As midnight drew near and candles began to sputter low, John reflected on the friends drawn together and lessons shared. No two drops are the same, yet each carries magic capable of bridging divides and igniting community. International Whiskey Day was a tribute to spirits in every sense, and all the fellowship they inspired. Now may their fires of heritage and good cheer keep burning bright. March 27 is International Whiskey Day. Here is our painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a wonderful International Whiskey Day. Cheers!